Workshop on the Water has been around for over 35 years. We focus on educating the public on traditional boat building. We've been partnering with the Eastern Atlantic States Regional Council of Carpenters to get students into the shop and teach them hands-on and applied mathematics through traditional boat building. We've got one retired carpenter, Tom Barnes, who works with us, and he helps to guide the students through the process of boat building, and also helps to expose them to the opportunities that are out there for future careers in the trades.
We start when school starts in September, so we spend September to November in classroom doing theory of the boat, going over mathematics. Then November we'll start and they'll lay out the boat. Every year we ask the kids to come up with names. We'll put it up on the chalkboard and then we vote on it. The name of the boat this year is Pop-Tart. It works. It goes with the colors. When they first come, they don't seem to have the self-confidence. It's nice to see them come out of their shell.
It was actually pretty cool. Like,
it was
just going from like the classroom and
putting it out on the water, actually.
Yeah, putting it out on the water is pretty cool. Like, it was on a piece of paper, and now it's on the water,
on it,
rowing away.
Yeah, it's really like crazy to think about, but working with the team made it more engaging and like, you know, worthwhile.
Yeah, they have the best group of people here.
Literally. I loved it. So
it was a great time. It's our second year too.
Yes.
Second year.
I think I'll do this next year.
Hopefully more to come.
Yes.
The boat stays here at the Seaport Museum. It's open to the general public. You can come down and rent out the boat and take it out. The kids who worked on the boat, they have lifetime free rentals. They can come down anytime they want and take their boat out. It gives me an opportunity to talk to them and tell them the benefits of what the union can offer them. Free schooling, no loans, health care. The more we get involved, the stronger the union gets, and that's what the goal is.